Okay, here we have another student. I want to know first your name.
My name is Imansu.
Himanshu Kumar. Do let me know about what class do you read?
I read in class 5th.
Fifth. How many months have you completed here?
5 months.
I have completed
I have completed
5 months here. I mean, since when have you been learning here? Since January? January or December? January 2025. Okay. And you are a student of class 5th. So, what do you think? Can you speak English? Do you speak everywhere? No, I want to know, do you speak? I mean, your habit, whenever you meet, other student who read here, so do you try to talk to them in English? Okay. Um, so, I think you remember all the previous lectures, verb forms, and whatever activities done here, so you remember. So, first, do let me know about your introduction in a briefly. Just look here.
First of all, my name is Himanshu Kumar. I belong to Suntola. As far as my qualification is concerned, I read in class 5th. My hobby is speaking English, and my dream is
To be.
to my dream to be a teacher.
My dream is to be a. So could you tell me what of what subject do you want to be a teacher?
English.
I want to be a teacher of English. I want
I want to be a
teacher of.
English.
Okay. Okay. So it means you like English most.
Yes.
Okay. Stand properly. Yeah. Okay. Do let me know about are you from Hindi medium student or English? Sorry. Are you from Hindi medium school or English medium school?
I am from Hindi medium.
Hindi medium school. Although you are from Hindi medium school and yet you can speak English, so no matter only only English medium students can speak English. Even Hindi medium students can also speak English, provided that maintain all the things what English medium students do. What read in English. What should anyone to do in order to learn English? What things should do? No, anyone who wants to learn English, what things should they do?
They are.
They should.
They should speak English
Okay. And anyhow.
anyhow, and they
should
should understand English.
Try to understand.
Try to understand English, and they
Look here.
anywhere
They should.
they should anywhere go. He is
See and
see and speak English,
in English. Okay.
and they should
Read daily.
read daily, and they should anywhere go. What it is written
On the
poster,
poster, flags, banner.
and
Try to
try to speak.
try to speak and read out and understand. Okay. Do let me know about how many family members are there in your family?
My family members has
Uh,
4.
4. One you and one you have sister and your father and mother. Okay. Do you have grandfather? He is not. Your grandmother? Is not. Okay. You are in class 5th. So he is from class 5th student and even Hindi medium student. So although he is from Hindi medium student, yet he speaks English properly, fluently, confidently. So no matter what school you read, okay. So do you remember all the books? Okay, try. What's the meaning of refuse?
The meaning of refuse is
Not. Mana karta. Okay. What the second form of hurt?
the second form of heart is hurt.
Hurt. Okay. So tell me 5 ability what you can do.
I can ride a bike. I can ride a bicycle.
Okay.
I can speak English.
Okay.
I can run.
Okay.
I can read English,
Mm-hmm.
and I can jump
Okay. 5 things you can't do.
I cannot ride a bike.
Okay.
I cannot climb a tree. I cannot.
Not climb. Climb. Be silent. Climb. I cannot climb the tree.
I cannot
Climb.
climb a tree.
Okay.
I cannot speak Gujarati. I cannot.
I can only speak 3 languages: Hindi, Bhojpuri, and English. And apart from these languages, I cannot speak any other language. Okay.
I can. I cannot go to Motihari
Okay. Alone.
alone.
Okay. So, do you practice? I mean, do you work on English after getting up in the morning?
Yes,
How many hours do you work?
half hour.
Half hour. Okay. Do you read daily?
Yes.
What are you reading nowadays? Book or newspaper?
Newspaper.
Newspaper. Okay. So do let me know 5 words related to newspaper. What you have read?
RJD,
Okay.
CBI,
Okay.
National.
Okay. Do you know the full form of CBI? You don't know. Okay. So Central Bureau of Investigation. The full form of CBI is
Central Bureau.
Central Bureau of Investigation. Okay. So okay, is your English right now good? Hmm? And you also feel good and confident. Yes, I can speak English and understand, and I can do everything in English. Do you think? Okay. So that's all.